Hey everybody, what's up? Today's our topic is function overloading. Okay, today we are going to learn about function overloading, what is function overloading and what will it do. Okay, let's start. Simply function overloading has a two type. Okay, one type is different type of parameter and another is different numbers of parameter. Okay, let's start. First of all, I'm going to start coding here. Let's just type your code. Include, this is your header file, page slash std plus plus dot h. What is, if you want to include this header file in your Visual C++, I already make a video about this. You can see or you can watch this video and include this file, because if you include this file you not needed to write any other header file. Okay, let's moving toward. I'm going to using namespace std. Yeah, this is our standard input or output. If you use like cout cin, it does not support, so it will not included std file. Then simply make a function, give function name, I give the add name, then simply pass the parameter. Okay, I'm going to adding two numbers here and return what value? A plus b. Okay, this is our return value. There is some problem here. Problem arise bit slash include. Oh, I forgot to type the C here. Okay, that's complete. Then make another function as the same name. Okay, here we already make a function name is add. Then we make the another function name is same. Okay, I'm going to make another function name is add same, then pass the parameter int a comma int b comma int c. Here this is our function overloading, return a plus b plus c. Okay guys, you can see here I make a function, two functions, name is same. Yeah, same name. Here our add number is 8, then another is add also same name, but here is different number of parameter. We in the first one we simply pass the two parameter, but in the second function we pass the three parameter. This is our different number of parameter. Yeah, this is called a function overloading. We can, if we want to, then another, you want to create another one, int add, simply pass the value int b int c then int d. You can make many, you can simply type here your code, you can make many same name of function, but here you should different in number in your parameter. Okay, I'm not using this in this code. Then simply enter your main function main, then enter cout. Sorry, I forgot to initialize or declare x comma y comma z. This is our free variable. Then cout enter three numbers. Okay, the three numbers, and this is our manipulator. Typing mistake. Yeah, then simply enter the values x. Sorry, there's so many mistakes here guys. typing. Okay, then you have to simply call the function cout the sum of the number is. Okay, then simply call the function. Here we use only two numbers. Okay, if we want to use these two numbers, then simply pass these two values in your function 8x comma y. Okay, you understand or not? Here we simply pass the two values, okay, in our argument, in the parameter. Here when you pass the two values from here, the working of compiler go to here. Yeah, then simply add these two values and return this value. Okay, then make another for another cout. Oh my god, that's hell. Oh sorry, the sum of the three numbers of number 8. Yeah, that's it. Then simply call another x y comma z. Yeah, when we call, here is the name is same. Yeah, 8 function name is same, 8 function name is same, but here is different number of parameter are passed. Then it goes to here, this function. Yeah, here is 2 parameter, then this goes to here. Yeah, then simply add here 2 values and add here 3 values and return these values. System pass then return 0. Okay, let's check it out. Let's save this and then run this program. Okay, this is successfully run. Yeah, then enter any 3 numbers here. You can see the result here, the first one. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching this.